Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about some of the lesser known, fascinating facts and secrets about the Prophet Muhammad. Whether you're a history buff or just curious about one of the most important figures in Islam, you're sure to learn something new, so grab a notebook and a pen and let's dive in. First, you know that the Prophet Muhammad was actually a successful businessman before he began receiving revelations from Allah. He was known for his honesty and integrity in his business dealings, and was even given the nickname Al-Amin, which means the trustworthy. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was a successful businessman before he began receiving revelations from Allah. He worked as a merchant, traveling to different cities and countries to trade goods. He was known for his honesty and integrity in his business dealings, and was even given the nickname Al-Amin, which means the trustworthy. Muhammad's reputation for honesty and fairness led to him becoming a successful trader. He was a partner in a successful trade caravan business which managed to trade with forward places such as Syria, Egypt and Ethiopia. The profits from his business were used to support his family and also to help the poor and needy in his community. Additionally, the Prophet Muhammad had a strong sense of social justice, which he instilled in his business practices. He prohibited certain unethical business practices such as cheating customers, hoarding goods, and taking advantage of the vulnerable. He also emphasized on the importance of fair trade and treating employees with respect and fairness. This is why he was known as trustworthy among his community. The Prophet Muhammad was a successful businessman before he became a prophet. He was known for his honesty, integrity, and fairness in his business dealings. He used his business skills and wealth to support his family and community. He also instilled strong principles of social justice and fair trade in his business practices. Another interesting fact is that the Prophet Muhammad was also a skilled diplomat. He was able to negotiate treaties and alliances with various tribes and communities which helped to unite the Arabian Peninsula under Islam. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was a skilled diplomat during his time. As the leader of the Muslim community, he was able to negotiate treaties and alliances with various tribes and communities which helped to unite the Arabian Peninsula under Islam. One of his most notable diplomatic achievements was the Treaty of Badr, which he negotiated with the leaders of the tribe of Quraysh. The treaty was significant because it helped to establish a 10-year period of peace between the Muslims and the Quraysh, which allowed the Muslims to focus on spreading the message of Islam without fear of persecution. One of his most notable diplomatic achievements was the Treaty of Badr, which he negotiated with the leaders of the tribe of Quraysh. The treaty was significant because it helped to establish a 10-year period of peace between the Muslims and the Quraysh, which allowed the Muslims to focus on spreading the message of Islam without fear of persecution. The Prophet Muhammad also used diplomacy to establish alliances with other tribes and communities. He sent delegations to different tribes and kingdoms to invite them to accept Islam and enter into alliances with the Muslim community. His diplomatic efforts helped to spread the message of Islam and establish a sense of unity among the Arab tribes. He also had a keen sense of understanding human nature and behavior, which helped him in his diplomatic efforts. He was able to gauge intentions of the people he was dealing with and take appropriate action. He knew when to be firm and when to be conciliatory, which helped him to achieve his diplomatic goals. The Prophet Muhammad was a skilled diplomat who was able to negotiate treaties and alliances with various tribes and communities, which helped to unite the Arabian Peninsula under Islam. He used his diplomatic skills to establish peace, spread the message of Islam, and create alliances with other tribes and communities. He also had a good understanding of human nature, which helped him in his diplomatic efforts. Many people may not know that the Prophet Muhammad was also a skilled military leader. He led many successful battles, including the Battle of Badr, which is considered one of the most significant battles in Islamic history. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was a skilled military leader during his time as the leader of the Muslim community. He led many successful battles, including the Battle of Badr, which is considered one of the most significant battles in Islamic history. The Battle of Badr was fought between the Muslims and the Meccans in the year 624 AD. The Meccans had a much larger and better equipped army than the Muslims, but the Muslims were able to defeat them through their superior tactics and strategy. The victory at Badr was a turning point in the early Islamic community's history, as it established the Muslims as a military force to be reckoned with. The Prophet Muhammad also had a unique approach to warfare. He always sought to avoid war if possible, and also he forbade harming civilians, women, children, and the elderly during battles. He also emphasized on the importance of discipline, unity among the soldiers, and on the need for moral and religious guidance on the battlefield. The Prophet Muhammad was also known for his tactical skills. He was able to outsmart the enemy by using surprise attacks, ambushes, and feints, which helped him to achieve victory in many battles. He also understood the importance of logistics and had a good sense of terrain, which helped him to choose the best location for battles. The Prophet Muhammad was a skilled military leader who led many successful battles, including the Battle of Badr, which was considered one of the most significant battles in Islamic history. He had a unique approach to warfare, seeking to avoid war if possible, forbidding harming civilians and emphasizing on the importance of discipline and unity among the soldiers. He was also known for his tactical skills and strategic thinking. Another fascinating secret about the Prophet Muhammad is that he was also a great teacher. He taught his followers about the importance of education and the pursuit of knowledge, and many of his companions went on to become great scholars and leaders in their own right. Prophet Muhammad's teachings and actions also emphasized the importance of compassion, fairness, and justice. He taught that the strong should protect the weak, the rich should care for the poor, and that all people should be treated with dignity and respect. He also encouraged Muslims to be good citizens and to take an active role in the betterment of their communities. Prophet Muhammad's teaching method was also unique. He was a master of persuasion. Often used simple and practical examples to illustrate complex concepts. His speeches and sermons were delivered in a way that was easy to understand and remember, which helped to make his message more accessible to a wider audience. He also encouraged his followers to question and think critically, which helped to promote a cultural learning and intellectual curiosity. Prophet Muhammad's teachings and actions as a teacher played a vital role in shaping the Islamic religion and culture, and continue to inspire millions of people around the world to this day. These are just a few of the many fascinating facts and secrets about the Prophet Muhammad. We hope you've enjoyed learning about some of these lesser-known aspects of his life. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.